This is Ethan Hoffman with eXp Realty. Today, I am in Babcock Ranch visiting their newest townhomes built by ParkSquare in their TownWalk community. Today, I'm going to be checking out the Kennedy floor plan. It is 1,572 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with a tech set area and a 1-car garage. Let's check it out. Please like and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Facebook group called Inside Babcock Ranch, where I post tours of the model homes, builder incentives, and resale homes, and other information about the community. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.